Hey everyone, are you ready to take your viewing experience to the next level? Well, I've got something truly incredible to share with you today. The Gimbal N6 Projector. This isn't just any projector, it's a Netflix certified portable 4K cinema that will blow you away. Let's check it out. The moment you receive the Gimbal N6 Projector, the sleek, minimalist packaging hints at the premium experience within. Opening the box, you'll be greeted by the projector itself nestled securely. The build quality is immediately apparent, the device feels solid and well crafted. Inside the box, you will find the Gimbal N6 Projector unit, a compact remote control designed for intuitive navigation, a power adapter and cable ensuring you're ready to go, an HDMI cable for direct wired connections, and a quick start guide and user manual providing clear instructions. Let's take a closer look at the specifications of the Gimbal N6. It operates on Android 13.0 and features an impressive brightness of 18,000 lumens, utilizing LCD projection technology. The contrast ratio is 3000 to 1 with a projection distance ranging from 1.2 to 4 meters and a projection size that can be adjusted between 40 and 150 inches. The Gimbal N6 brings your favorite streaming services to life on a grand scale. But here's the real game changer. The Gimbal N6 is Netflix certified. This is a rare and highly sought after feature as very few projectors on the market meet Netflix's stringent quality and compatibility standards. The lamp has an impressive lifespan of 30,000 hours. Additionally, it comes with built-in 5-watt speakers that deliver surprisingly good sound quality.
Why didn't I pack all my equipment together?
Miss Croft? Anyone? Come in!
Miguel? Where are you?
The N6 also supports 3 levels of brightness adjustment to meet the viewing needs in different environments. Oh, and did I mention the 360-degree adjustable projection angle? With this, you can project onto any surface, anytime. Plus, it has AI voice control for ultimate convenience. The Gimbal N6 Projector features a variety of connectivity options, including HDMI, Wi-Fi 6.0 for fast wireless streaming, Bluetooth 5.2 for audio connections, and a USB port for external media playback. This makes it easy to connect laptops, gaming consoles, smartphones, and USB drives. Plus, it's really simple and easy to use with all your streaming devices, such as your Amazon Fire TV. Just find the HDMI input on the back of the projector, plug in your Fire TV stick or cube into the HDMI port. Turn on the projector and your Fire TV device. Then use the projector's remote to navigate to the input source menu and select the corresponding HDMI input. Your Fire TV interface will appear on the projected screen, allowing you to enjoy your favourite shows and movies with vibrant colours and a crisp picture. Now let's talk visuals. Honestly, the picture clarity is fantastic for its price point. However, while it supports 4K decoding, the actual displayed resolution remains 1080p, which is expected at this price. Despite this, colours are generally vibrant thanks to the LCD projection technology, and with a claimed 18,000 lumens brightness, it performs reasonably well even in moderately lit environments. However, don't expect it to shine in direct sunlight. It's still best suited to dimmer settings for that true cinematic immersion. The intelligent AI features are a standout. The autofocus is generally quick and accurate, and the automatic keystone correction is a lifesaver for hassle-free setup. The XGODY Gimbal N6 Projector offers several advantages, especially for its price. With sharp native 1080p resolution and 4K support, it delivers impressive visual quality. Its brightness is suitable for indoor and some outdoor use after dark. Notable features include intelligent AI functionalities for easy setup, versatile connectivity options, and Netflix certification for seamless streaming. Its portability and the 360-degree projection angle enhance flexibility, and the Android 13.0 interface provides access to numerous apps. The built-in speakers are decent for casual viewing, and the lamp's life is rated for 30,000 hours. However, it has limitations. The audio quality may not satisfy those seeking an immersive experience, making external speakers advisable. Brightness can be inadequate in well-lit rooms, and while it accepts 4K signals, the native resolution remains 1080p. And some users may find the fan noise noticeable during quiet scenes. Overall, the XGODY Gimbal N6 Projector offers a fantastic value for its price. But is it the right projector for you? If you're looking for excellent picture quality, smart features, portability, and Netflix certification without breaking the bank, then absolutely. Click the link in the description or pinned comment to check the latest price and grab yours today. That's all for today's video, but before you go, if you found this video helpful, please do me a huge favour and hit that thumbs up button. It really helps the channel grow and lets me know you appreciate this kind of content. And of course, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Your support means the world to me, and it really does help YouTube recommend those videos to more people. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.